Make your boring-looking titles feel cinematic using Filmora's new titles and effects. With the recent update, Filmora has introduced some really cool title styles and effects. In this video, we're going to show you how to use them to make your video truly stand out. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Here I'm in Wondershare Filmora. You can try Filmora for free through the link mentioned in the description below. First, import your audio into the timeline. Then, head over to the stock media section. Inside the library, navigate to the Spring folder where you'll find a variety of relevant footage. You can also use your own clips if you prefer. Additionally, explore the Spring-wise category to discover more suitable videos. Now, import your selected clips into the timeline one by one. Once all your clips are placed, start syncing them with the music. Identify the beats in your audio and cut the clips accordingly. This way, every beat change aligns with a visual change, creating a smooth and engaging flow. At this point, your rough cut is ready, and you'll notice that the clips are perfectly synced with the music beats. Next, move to the Filters section. Under the Spring category, choose a filter that complements your video. In this case, we'll use the bold green filter, as it gives a fresh spring vibe and works well across most clips. After that, go to the Text tab and select Titles. Inside the Spring category, you'll find newly added title styles. Pick one that fits your video and place it on the timeline. If needed, add another text layer for subtitles and adjust it according to your composition. Now, open the Transitions panel and apply 3D transitions to give your video a more premium and modern look. Once applied, reduce the transition duration to keep everything smooth and fast-paced. Finally, go to the Seasonal Transition section and apply flower-style transitions. These will enhance the overall theme and create smooth, visually appealing transitions between your clips. Then, add the Flip Frame 6 effect for an extra dynamic touch. And that's it. Your video is now complete and ready to go. So that's it for this quick Filmora tutorial. If you don't have Filmora yet, make sure to try out today. Link is mentioned in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.